Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. What electric guitar should I buy before starting electric guitar lessons? This is a really good question. I'm pretty sure we've answered this question before, maybe even several times, but it just keeps coming up and up all the time. Like, people always send me this specific question. And my answer to that is very specific and very simple. Do not buy a guitar before starting your guitar lessons. Here's what I am suggesting. When you go for your first guitar lessons, show up there without the guitar, okay? And invest the first lesson in talking with your teacher. This is the person that's going to be helping you reach your guitar goals, reach your music goals, become a better musician. So talk to him. Tell him what kind of music you like. Tell him what kind of guitar players you like. Just make sure that he understands where you're coming from and what brought you there in the first place. And have him play for you and tell him what you like and what you don't like from the different sounds and everything. Now, if the last part sounds too complicated because you're just a beginner, just ignore the last part. But definitely talk to your teacher. So after you tell him what you enjoy and what inspires you, tell him the second part of the equation, which is tell him your budget. So how much you're willing to spend on a guitar. And then by taking these two things together, you and him can together pick a guitar that you can now go and buy, and you can have your lessons from now on. So my suggestion, which I've repeated several times, is to buy a used guitar from eBay, from any used guitar store. Just make sure you do this with the help of the guitar teacher, since he's going to be much better equipped to help you make sure you don't make a mistake. This is the optimum way of getting your first guitar. Don't get the guitar before going for lessons. Go for the first lesson, talk to your teacher, tell him what you want to learn and what inspires you, and he's going to help you choose the guitar according to what you told him and according to your own budget. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Until then, make sure you send me your questions and I'll do my best to answer them in a future video. Bye bye.